Hey, you found me. All right. So today we're talking standard form, which I always lovingly call the least informative form. It doesn't really give me anything. So like slope-intercept, I get the slope and I get the y-intercept. Sweet. Point slope, it tells me a point and it gives me the slope. Awesome. And then there's standard form. Standard form, just looking at it doesn't give me anything, guys. So our goal is to switch it into a form that would actually help us, right? So if I was going to choose, so I have slope-intercept form, I have point slope, so point slope, slope-intercept. So I'm looking at these and I'm looking, if I look at point slope, I'm supposed to have these 2 points, x, y, and then x1, y1, right? But if I look at standard, I only have x and y. So I'm thinking my best bet is head on over and let's try and convert it to y equals mx plus b. All right, so that's our goal. We're going to take standard form ax plus by equals c and make it look like slope-intercept y equals mx plus b. And here's what we're going to do. Remember when we did literal equations? We manipulated. That's what we're going to do, okay? We want it to look like this. So I know that this part needs to get to this side, and I know that this needs to become 1, right? Like I need to change, that's a horrible one, and we need to change it to 1. Okay, so let's follow. We're going to first zero out this ax so that it can go to the other side. So zero out, that's 0 pairs. Take the opposite sign. So I have ax, so I need to get rid of it. So I'm going to do minus ax and balance it out by subtracting it from the other side. Woohoo. All right, so this is gone. I'm left with by equals, and I'm going to put that negative ax plus c, right? So negative ax, hey, that looks like my mx almost, kind of, okay? But don't get too excited yet. We're not done because this isn't 1 yet, right? And then I have, okay, it's starting to look like it. Sweet. Okay, now it says step 2, make the coefficient of y 1 by dividing by b. So we're going to make this 1. Remember, anything divided by itself is 1. That's why we divide by b. I'm going to divide all of these things by b as well. And this time I'm going to separate it because that's going to help me in just a minute when we do this with numbers. All right, so I get y equals negative a divided by b times x plus c divided by b. All right, sweet. Look, 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 look. Y is by itself. Y is by itself. We have negative ab, right? So this part right here is my m, right? So mx plus b. Hey, look at that. We're in slope-intercept form. Woo! All right, that's all you're going to do. So you're going to zero this part out, move it over, and then divide by the coefficient here. Okay, let's do it. Here we go. All right, so I have negative 3x plus 6y equals 5. I'm trying to get to slope-intercept, so I want it to be y equals mx plus b. So zero out this first. So we have negative 3x, so we're going to add 3x to both sides, keep that balance. All right, that's zeroed out. I'm left with 6y equals, I'm going to put the 3x first because mx plus b. So 3x plus 5. Not done yet because that coefficient's not 1. So we divide by the coefficient. So 6. I'm going to divide these by 6. All right. 6 divided by 6 is 1, so I'm left with 1y. Woohoo, that's what I want. Okay, I have 3 divided by 6. I know that can simplify. If you don't know, type it in your calculator. That's going to be 1/2 x. Then I have plus, and then I have 5/6. That doesn't simplify. You could check in your calculator. There is my slope-intercept. Sweet. So now I know my slope is 1/2. Puff, puff, positive. It should be going up. And I know that my y-intercept is what? 5/6. That's where it's going to cross the y-axis. Okay, let's do it again. Here we go. 27x minus 9y equals 3. So first zero out the x because we want it on the other side. So minus 27x minus 27x. That zeroes out. We're left with negative 9y equals negative 27x plus 3. Almost there. We need this to be 1y, so we're going to divide by the coefficient, and everything gets divided. Okay, so that's 1y equals negative 27 divided by negative 9. Please use your calculator and check. That gets us 3x. And then positive 3 divided by negative 9. We're going to simplify that. It's going to become negative 1/3. There is my slope-intercept form. What's my slope? 3. All right, what's the y-intercept? Negative 1/3. Let me make that actually negative. Okay, that's it. One more. Here we go. Negative 2x plus 7y equals negative 14. Zero out and keep your balance. All right, that's gone. I'm left with 7y equals, those are not like terms, don't put them together. Okay, so I have 2x minus 14, not like terms. All right, make my coefficient 1, divide everything by 7. 7 divided by 7 gives me 1. Why? Woohoo! 2/7 doesn't simplify, so I'm going to keep it 2/7 x. Negative 14 divided by 7 is negative 2. There's my equation. What's the slope? 2/7. Sweet. Right, going up, positive. All right, what's the y-intercept? Negative 2. All right, that's it. Okay, try it.